get that him at the school.
As I'm saying that,
Likkle Wizzies school.
don't laugh till you get them.
Stitches. Like subscribe and watch Likkle Wizzies.
Yo, one more.
Yo, wifey.
Yeah. Yo, what about Steven? You know, see, I have to lift up though. Yo, lift up. You want to say something?
Yo, dummy, lift up. Lift up. Lift up. Yo, remember saying this.
So, yo, we need some money for Jamaica there, you know?
You need some money for Jamaica Day.
Yeah, man.
Them brother know yesterday they are Jamaica Day.
How many days in a year?
365 days in a year.
And where we live?
Na Jamaica.
So, not every day at Jamaica Day then?
Oh. You know, so I never think about it, so that means every day I want Jamaica Day then.
Yeah, you catch it pre now.
Yo, no wrong. Wrong? What you mean you no wrong you? Remember see a leap here. See that's so much Jamaica Day we have?
Yeah, man.
Hold on there. So that means me have to go wear yellow and green every day.
Yeah, idiot. Can wear black too. You know, so a fact though, we need to find out but quick money though.
You know see a true though. Little lunch money with daddy they give we just now and cut it. So yo, what the plan for do? Yo, dummy, I nothing to say.
Yo, brother, what you do?
Me dey practice how to kiss.
What you watch?
Gio and Ken.
Yeah.
And King and Shay. And Kissy and Kush.
Kissy and Crush?
Yeah, you watch them too.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Just come to you, no, Virgin. Ah, money. You want to kiss the shoe, Virgin?
You know what I mean?
I mean, want money. Brick on brick.
Yeah.
Dollars. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, we gonna open one. Kissing booth style.
One kissing boot? Eh?
You get the kissing and me get the money.
You know, see a true though. But brother, I can't kiss nobody.
What make?
Because me sick.
Sick.
Yeah.
Your coronavirus?
No.
Then you're good then, man. So lady, you don't want no kiss, man. Professional kisser. Kiss like vacuum.
Vacuum?
You suck out everything.
Everything?
Everything.
Everything?
I wanna back me to the max on this one, you know. Cause this one up on Jesus Christ, man, it look sweet.
Yeah, you.
Watch out.
Double. Brata. $1,000, you know.
So why are you so expensive?
No more you start meeting. Take too long, I charge you double. Pass the money, pass the money. See right this, up this, right this, yeah. And a juicy patty like this, form one. Okay, right, stop.
Hey, you towards the life you make me go before you.
No, it don't work so.
$1,000?
Yes.
Come in front of me, come in front of me.
Your turn.
Did a lot of bad things, and did I give?
No man, me neck get hurt me. Get one crate and come back. Next patient.
I can't breathe.
Jesus!
Now get me kiss.
Yuck.
Say what?
Go wipe your face and come back, then me kiss you.
No more about my $1,000. I'm gonna get me kiss all now.
Well, adios.
Hello!
So brother, what you gonna do? Boy, they can't kiss a back.
No, move man.
Am I sucking everything?
Brethren, what type of fools is your talk? So you think of firing this?
Hello, hard work. Me and you.
No.
Kissing boot.
Kissing boot?
You get the kiss and me get the money.
Eh?
Yeah.
So me can't get money too.
Why you so greedy? You had to get kiss you.